To download your digital Iqamah, go to your Play Store and download the application known as AppShare Individual. I have already downloaded, so I will just click on the open and I will input my login. I will enter my username, which is my Iqamah, and my password to get into the application. I will just receive a verification code, an SMS on my registered mobile number that I will feed, and that will bring us straight into the application. On the bottom you can see alerts and then my services. You have to click on the my services, and first option you can see is view digital ID, because I have already downloaded my ID. Just check all your details are okay and then click generate. Then you will get the QR code and all your details, and you have to just take a screenshot of this, and you can use the screenshot to show to any of the security. No need to carry your Iqamah always. Thanks.